You've probably noticed this before. You finish inflating your airbed, and the firmness is just where you want it. Some time passes, and now your airbed is too soft, which can seem like it's leaking. Don't worry, your airbed is not really leaking. This decrease in firmness is normal. It's due to the PVC stretching from internal air pressure, your body weight, and temperature changes. If you notice a decrease in your bed's firmness, simply add more air. To ensure the most comfortable night's sleep, inflate your airbed at least 2 hours before you plan to go to sleep. Then top off the air right before you go to bed to maintain your firmness throughout the night.